Hi friends, this is Srinivas here and I welcome you to our YouTube channel Cars Info. Before getting into the video, it's a small request, kindly subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video related to an automobile, you are not missing it. And also share it to your friend circle. Coming to the today's video topic, as per the demand, I'm going to talk about the different modes which are present in the automatic transmission of an urban cruiser, and we'll see how they work when the car is driven on the practically. Friends, coming to the Toyota Urban Cruiser transmission, it comes with 4-speed automatic transmission, and you can see the levers or the modes. So this is a parking mode, reverse. So this is neutral, and this is D, 2 and L. L means load. So one by one I'm going to explain how these modes will be useful when the car is driven on the road. So parking is basically where when I have finished my trip or any what you can say, when I reach my destination, I'll put the car on a parking mode. What is the benefit is that it will lock the transmission. Now coming to the reverse, whenever I have to do any reverse, I will put it in the reverse mode. So once I'll put it in, it will display. If the car is installed with a camera and the parking sensor, it will be displayed like this, and you will get a constant buzzer. And along with that, it will also display in the MID screen. So neutral, if you want to keep the car on neutral mode, you can do it. So D means, as it's automatic, once the lever is placed on the D mode, if you have to disengage your parking brake, remove your leg from the brake, the vehicle will start moving. This is called crawl function. The benefit is whenever the car is mostly driven on the bumper to bumper traffic, that time it's very hassle free. Now generally what happens, these two modes are very beneficial when the car is driven on a hilly area, slopey area, or getting out of the basement. That time you need more torque, so it will lock the transmission to the second gear. And even a more torque, you keep the lever to the load, which is an L, so it will lock the transmission to the transmission to the first gear. So generally in the lower gear ratio, which is first and second, you have a more torque, so it is easy to get out of that place. Now as it's a 4-speed automatic, you can also change into third gear, 3-speed automatic. How can you do this? This is the OD, which is switch is here. To activate this or deactivate this, you simply need to press here. So you can see here. So this is off, now this is on. So what is the benefit is that whenever I am driving on a highway, I want more power and more throttle, so it will make the transmission reach 4th speed or 4th gear, or that means it has an overdrive. And whenever I am driving, what is the benefit of having an overdrive is that you get a better fuel efficiency and more fun to drive experience. If you are driving a city, you don't want to go to the 4th gear, you lock it, you will get a decent power and more torque. That's the benefit of it. So according to your thing, you can shift it. Now suppose as it's automatic, if the vehicle battery is drained out, so I'll off the vehicle. So you can see the lever is, I want to put from parking mode to neutral. It's not happening. So what I have to do, there is a switch is here, shift lock. So once you press that, it's easy to get. So a lot of customers will have question what this switch is placed. So tell your customer this is only for whenever the vehicle battery is drained out. You want to put the vehicle lever from parking to neutral, you can use this. So basically this is about the automatic transmission of urban cruiser. I hope this video will be very informative to you. If you still have any doubt related to that, kindly comment me in the comment box. And once again, thank you for watching this video and be safe. Jai Hind.